the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. This car has separate passenger temperature controls and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Call today to schedule a test drive.